This is how to withdraw GoodDollar to Binance. This GoodDollar token is free money, but you cannot transfer this token directly to Binance because GoodDollar is yet to be listed on Binance exchange. What you need to do to transfer this GoodDollar token to Binance is to convert it to another token that is listed on Binance. This is why we'll be using CELO network to swap and convert GoodDollar to another token that is on the same network with GoodDollar. I'll be using this GoodDapp to swap the 280,000 GoodDollar to CELO. I'll be swapping GoodDollar for CELO token. I'll be swapping to CELO because CELO is the native token of CELO network. I'll be using GoodDapp. GoodDapp is a tool inside GoodWallet that you can use to swap GoodDollar to any token of your choice. To swap GoodDollar to CELO, you have to connect your GoodDollar to MetaMask. The reason is that you will be able to see your GoodDollar directly inside MetaMask. You also need MetaMask to transfer the CELO to Binance. I already added CELO network and I've already imported GoodDollar token. This is my GoodDollar token. For you to know how to do that, watch this video. This video will take you through how to add GoodDollar to MetaMask step by step. Look at it. You should be able to swap using MetaMask, but this is disabled for CELO network. The other method we can use, you come inside your GoodWallet. For you to swap this token to CELO, you will click GoodDapp. You can see this is the inside of GoodDapp. Before you can start swapping, you must connect this GoodDapp to your GoodWallet. This GoodWallet, it is better you use web format to open your GoodWallet. To connect GoodDapp to GoodWallet, you click connect. You can see it is already connected. So you've now linked GoodDapp and your GoodDollar wallet. The link of a video will come out now. You can watch that video to know how to link your GoodDollar wallet to your GoodDapp. You've connected GoodDollar to GoodDapp. So the next thing you want to do is to swap this GoodDollar token to CELO using GoodDapp. So you come here, you click, you select GoodDollar. You can see that I have 281,000 GoodDollar. You'll be converting your GoodDollar to CELO, this CELO, and you can decide to convert to any other token that is listed on Binance. But in this case, we'll be converting to CELO. If you try to swap inside GoodDapp without making provision for charges and you approve, this error message will always come up. This is why you need to get CELO on any exchange of your choice. You can watch this video. It will show you how to get CELO on Binance exchange. Because we're swapping to CELO, you click CELO, you click maximum, you review the swap. This is just a warning telling you about the transaction. This transaction will result in this pricing part. If you are okay with it, you click continue. This is the network fee that you'll be charged, and this is the amount that you're likely to get on your CELO. So you click swap. So it's going through approval process. You come back to your GoodDollar to approve from your wallet. You can see instantly all the funds in this place has gone, and I have over $14 on my MetaMask, and my CELO token has been credited with the same amount, and you can see that GoodDollar has been zeroized. For you to know how to convert and swap your GoodDollar to CELO using GoodDapp, watch this video. So the next thing you need to do now is to transfer these funds to Binance or any wallet of your choice. To do that, the send button is active. So you just click CELO. We are moving all these funds in CELO to Binance. You click send. You go to Binance to pick your CELO address. This is Binance. You come to deposit. You click deposit. Because you want to deposit CELO, you click deposit crypto. You select the coin. So we are selecting CELO. You select CELO. You are going to decide the network you are going to use. To decide which network to use, it is important you know that the network we are using is CELO network. So you have to use the same network. If you use different network, you will lose the money. So we go back to Binance. We choose CELO. So this is the CELO address on Binance. So you copy it. You come back to your MetaMask or to your wallet. Paste. The next thing you do is to look at the charges. This is why we initially transfer the money from Binance to fund CELO. If CELO was not funded initially, you will not be able to swap GoodDollar using GoodDapp to CELO token. we've selected all the money on CELO, so we are moving the money from MetaMask to Binance now. So if everything is okay, you are okay with the charges, you just click continue. You can take note of your address again, the last digit of the address of where your money is going to on Binance. You look at it again to confirm. You look at the last digit of the address. If you are okay with everything, you click confirm transaction. See, the transaction is currently going through under confirmation. Confirmation is completed. My MetaMask is debited, and you can see this is my CELO, $14. So this is how to withdraw GoodDollar to Binance. As soon as you get your money to Binance through CELO, you can convert your CELO to other tokens. You just come to this place, trade. You click convert. You click here to search for CELO. You search for CELO. This is CELO. You click CELO. Irrespective of the value of your CELO, transfer to Binance. You can easily swap your CELO. You can change to other cryptos. You just click here. Look at so many of them. Or cash out your funds directly to your bank account in your country. The link of a video will come out here. That video will take you through how to transfer your money on Binance to any bank in your country. Also, you can transfer your money on Binance to AirTM. This is AirTM. Ensure you use my AirTM link to sign up and start with AirTM. If you do that, AirTM will give you a gift of $3 only if you use the platform. On this platform, you can do a lot of things with your money. Suppose you've transferred your money here, all you need to do is to click withdraw. You click withdraw. Look at it. There are over 400 available payment methods. You can search for your preferred payment methods here. You just click search payment method. Look at it. You select a payment method of your choice here. You can pay directly to your bank account. You just click bank. You can see the list of different countries. All you need to do is to search for your country. I'm in Nigeria. You can transfer to both your local currency and domiciliary account in your country. The link of a video will come out here. It will take you through how to transfer your money on AirTM to your bank account. You can see you can also get paid directly to your PayPal in any country. Watch this video. It will take you through how to transfer your money on AirTM to your PayPal account. Also, you can get paid through cash. Also, you can transfer your money on this platform to any cryptos of your choice. You just click crypto. You have so many options. You can transfer your money back to Binance. You can transfer to Bybit. You can go for KuCoin exchange. You will see the link below the description of this video for all these exchanges. If you use any of those links, those platforms will give you free money as a sign-up bonus that worth hundreds of dollars, and you can use this money to buy any gift cards of your choice. Ensure you use my AirTM link, which is below the description of this video, to claim your $3 gift. Don't forget, you only get paid when you use AirTM to do your transactions. So you now know how to transfer your GoodDollar free money to Binance. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Ensure you watch the next video. You will get to know how to use AirTM to your advantage, and the second video will take you through how to get free money. No work, no investment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. See you in the next video.